Maji. Okay, great people. Great people depending on the screen.
Good evening, class. Hi.
Hi.
Yes, you are welcomed in this lesson today. And today we want to build general building, and we are going to know more about the upper floors. The upper floors. Uh, our objectives of today, we are going to discuss first about by the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to define the upper floors and state the functional requirements of upper floors. So our objectives of today is going to be defining the term upper floors, and the second one to state the functional requirements of upper floors. So the first thing that we have to know is the definition of upper floors. And from our screen here, one of us can read for us what is upper floor. What do you know about upper floor?
Upper floors generally refer the levels or stories of that are located above the ground floor.
Yes, I think we have heard it very well that upper floors are those floors that are located above the ground level. So that is very good. Uh, so in our objectives, we discussed that we must first know the meaning of upper floors and the functional requirements of upper floor. So the functional requirement of an upper floor is just the factors that we should check uh, to qualify that this floor of ours, is it perfect? It will fail or not. Okay, class?
Yes.
Yes. So another person, one requirement of upper floor, strength. Yes. Another one is durability. So the part of durability is very okay because one factor that we have to check is how long that this our house will take. Okay. Another functional requirement. Another one is occupancy. So in occupancy, our floor should be very sufficient enough to do what? To occupy every facility that will be placed over it. Okay, class?
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm seeing that we are doing well. And another person can read for us about accessibility. Accessibility.
Upper floors have appropriate for transportation, vehicles, workers, ensure it's for occupants and visitors.
Okay, that is very, very nice. So accessibility uh,